Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's in store for you for the month of July. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person you're dealing with or the situation you're dealing with. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is the main energy for Geminis. The Tower. Some unexpected event or an unexpected realizations, some shake up, something which is perhaps shaking up your belief system. So something unexpected has happened over here, Geminis. Okay, so let's see what this tower is for Geminis. Why is this tower here for Geminis? What's it? So for the tower, we have the Six of Cups, the King of Cups, the Four of Wands, Empress, the Devil, the Knight of Swords, Two of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Hierophant. Okay. So Geminis, you are really emotional here about a connection over here. It can be a soulmate type of an energy, a person whom you really know from the past, or maybe somebody actually from the past, or your ex or somebody like that. Maybe it's like you want to reconcile with this person. Okay, there are a lot of emotions attached to this situation or this person over here, and you are, what I feel is you've actually reconciled with this person, and things started going pretty well. Okay, so everything was fine, everything is good. You are really emotional about this person. You're just, everything seems to be fine over here, but maybe it can be your, this person may be your ex, or if not an ex, then you do have that soulmate type of an attachment with this person. Okay, and everything is beautiful over here. Everything started off beautifully. Okay, and then we have the Empress, the Devil, and the Knight of Swords. So what I feel here is that things were going smoothly and in a very nice way. You partying, rejoicing, spending quality time together, everything is fine. But you have made some hasty decision here. That's what I feel. You wanted a new beginning here in some way, or you wanted to step up the situation or step up this relationship. But what I feel is, with the Devil attached to it and the Knight of Swords, while everything was going on fine, there has been some impulsive movement. That was the temptation to, what I feel is that there was definitely a temptation to perhaps step up this thing or this relationship. For some of you, I'm getting an actually, it can be an actual accidental, unplanned pregnancy. For some of you, it can be an unplanned pregnancy also. That's also I'm getting here. But for others of you, what I feel is there is a temptation here. You want a new beginning, you want to start something new or step up this relationship perhaps. And in the impulse of doing this, some hasty decision has been made over here. That's what I feel. And that has not served you to its best actually. Okay, so that impulsive decision, it was just done in haste, and because of that there has been, or maybe there was some, this relationship has been sort of sabotaged because of that one step. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and because of that, you are in a situation that you really don't know, will this now proceed forward or not? That's what I'm getting. You have to think twice about this commitment. Okay, now you have to think twice before making a decision of being together with this person. That's what I'm getting. So there has been some impulsive decision over here, or something has been said or done in haste, and that has spoiled the beauty of this relationship. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and now you are at the crossroads. You really are thinking about it again, that do I still need to be with this person? Should I still be with this person, or should I really now commit to this person, or should we actually move forward or step it up? So there has been some impulsive move here in a relationship which was actually moving forward in a pretty good way, but something has happened because of which it has sabotaged the relationship. Actually, some impulsive move has sabotaged the relationship. Okay, from this deck the message is 6 of spades, so it's moving away towards peace. So it can be that you decide to move away, you or the other person decides to move away from this relationship because you really want peace now. Nobody here is ready to accept any tension or something like that, so you're choosing peace over here. So that's what I feel. So at least for some of you, you people, everyone is choosing peace. You want to be with this person or without this person, that will be your decision. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Seeing clearly, number 12 may be of some significance for you. It's time to view things from a different perspective. You have the blessed gift to see the past and the current situation and envision amazing possibilities. Don't worry, the pause in the momentum while you rethink your plan won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. So that is the guidance from the angels, Geminis. I'll be digging this reading further and exploring it further, and the link for that is the link for that extended is given in the description box below. So you're most welcome to join me there and listen to the reading. For those of you who just wish to be here till YouTube, then thanks for being here, thanks for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope it helps. Bye. Thank you.